Dear viewers, greetings. In this video, we are going to see the difference between high performance liquid chromatography or HPLC and gas chromatography. First, principle of separation. In HPLC, separation of the sample is accomplished by the solid stationary phase and liquid mobile phase. In gas chromatography, separation of the sample is accomplished by liquid or solid stationary phase and gaseous mobile phase. Second, the separation technique of the HPLC is based on polarity, and the separation technique of gas chromatography is based on volatility. The mobile phase of HPLC are polar solvents like water, acetonitrile and methanol, non-polar solvents like hexane, heptane, isopropyl alcohol and dichloromethane. And the mobile phase of gas chromatography are gases like nitrogen, helium, argon, hydrogen and oxygen. The stationary phase of a HPLC is a solid adsorbent, and the stationary phase of gas chromatography is a liquid on an inert solid support. The sample used for the HPLC should be volatile or non-volatile, low or high molecular weight, stable at room temperature and soluble in liquid phase. And the sample used in gas chromatography should be volatile, low molecular weight and stable at high temperature. Regarding the temperature control, in HPLC, temperature control approach is not necessary or required. Generally, room temperature is required. And for gas chromatography, temperature control is much more important as the column is placed inside the oven with a controlled temperature program. Generally, high temperature are required for gas chromatography analysis. It is 150 degree Celsius to 300 degree Celsius. Cost wise, HPLC is less cost than gas chromatography, and the gas chromatography is high cost than the HPLC. The column used for the HPLC are generally shorter and broader in diameter, and the column used in gas chromatography are long, normally 10 to 60 meters in length and narrow in diameter. Regarding the resolution issues, in HPLC, sample with similar polarities results in the resolution issues. In gas chromatography, samples with similar molecular weight shows the resolution issues. The analysis speed is slow in HPLC but fast in gas chromatography. Regarding the peak shape of HPLC is generally detect bigger or wider peaks that affects lower resolution, and in gas chromatography the peak shape relatively observed with good resolution. Detectors used in HPLC are UV visible detector, photodiode array detector, refractive index detector, light scattering detector, charged aerosol detector, conductivity detector, fluorescence detector, chemiluminescence detector, optical rotation detector, mass spectrometric and IR detector. And some of the detectors used in the gas chromatography are flame ionizing detector, thermal conductivity detector, electrochemical detector, electron capture detector, nitrogen phosphorus detector, flame photometric detector, electrolytic conductivity detector, mass spectrometric detector, photoionization detector, reduction gas detector, catalytic combustion detector, and helium ionization detector. Dear viewers, that's all about the difference between HPLC and gas chromatography. Thank you for your support. Thank you.